All right, so at home charging, you can either open the key fob, you can open up the door itself, tap on it, and then it is super simple. Again, it does the readout for here. Right. And I want you, when I plug this in, I want you to hear. Okay, it's plugged in.
Yeah.
Listen, it takes a second. You hear that?
Who was that, baby?
Outside of the vehicle will say, hey, charging started. V2L on this vehicle is vehicle to load, which means if you buy the adapter, and you plug it into here, and you can run a household appliance off of it. You can charge another vehicle off of it. So for example, if you're at the beach and you want to make yourself a margarita,
yes,
you can make a margarita using the power from this vehicle because the V2L adapter will allow you to plug the blender in.
Okay, we're gonna go find a charging station.
Okay.
Right? And so I'm gonna look here, somewhere here on the...
Ta-da!
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, it looks like it's all town hall.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay. Set.
Yep. Gonna do its thing. And then you click start guidance.
Without guidance, we start now.
She's telling you where to go, Joan.
Okay.
So on the drive selector, twist, that's reverse.
That's reverse.
Yep. If you twist forward, it's drive. You twist back, it's reverse.
Okay, so I'm in drive.
And if you tap the end, it'll put you on park.
Okay. Barely have to touch the gas though. It just kind of...
And what we were talking about earlier with the paddles that are on the back of the steering wheel, that's the resistance that you actually get in regenerating into the brakes. So if you tap the paddles, nope, they're right behind here, these guys, the silver ones. If you tap it right now, it will change the resistance in the brakes. So you're at level 2. If you notice, the car rolls forward a little bit easier.
Okay.
So let off the gas. See, it's still rolling forward much easier. Now tap it one more time. You're now at level 1. Let off the gas again. See, it rolls forward much easier than it did before. So you're in normal mode. There's 3 modes, technically 4. You have eco, you have normal, you have sport, and you have snow. Obviously, we're not going to be using snow in South Florida.
Yeah.
All right, so now that we're driving the vehicle, Joan, what do you think of the inside as you're driving?
The biggest takeaway for me is that it's very similar to driving a regular car, like a non-EV car, as far as like getting in and going.
So you think it's easier, like the transition to a brand new platform? This makes it much simpler.
This is much simpler because you can still do the start and stop, you can do the volume from here, you don't have to go to the screen. It has a solid feel. And it's, it's got nice,
right there.
It's got nice pickup.
Electric vehicle parking only.
And
hello, Tesla owner.
It's pretty smooth. Okay.
I don't think it'll reach. You might have to go to the other side. I'll look. And then tap.
It's on that side?
Tap the end for park. Yay! Yes, it's on this side. So it's not. I know it's not plugged in. It's not working.
It's not working.
It's not working.
So this is the second one.
So this is the second public charging station we've been to where the vehicle is not being charged, either A, because this one's not turned on, or it's broken.
Right.
And that's a massive issue that we've been running into, specifically in South Florida, where either charging stations are broken or the companies aren't taking care of them. So
you can't really plan a trip then.
No, you can't. A consistent trip.
I would be nervous then about going, 400 or 500 miles.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Wow.
But that's where Tesla has the market on lockdown. And we've talked about this, between us, we've talked about this before. Just Tesla's supercharging is untouchable. I think their system is absolutely incredible. Unfortunately, when it comes to public charging, we aren't there yet.
Yeah.
I think that it's going to get to that point where it can be as reliable But unfortunately, as of today, in June 2022, we're not there, and we just proved it going by 2 stations, and both are inoperable. And here we are, where there's 2 of them, and they're both SEs. Aww, it's so cute.
Ready to charge.
We know this one's
blue.
working because we were just here, so I know this one's working.
Okay. This is power charge station. So
But
we have to
it's
figure
for-
out what is the difference between charge point, power charge. What is it? Why
So
is
at
it
least,
all-
see this one's blinking blue? I don't know if you can see it.
It says ready to charge.
Right, so this
It's
one
blue.
actually works.
This one works.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so it shows you the different style. We want the CCS for this car. So we go like this, and then we go like this.
In 12 minutes, it goes to 80%.
Right, so what we were talking about earlier about being super fast charging,
Yeah.
that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Up to 80%
So
in 13 minutes.
this is a charge point.
No.
What's this?
No, this is Circle K. It might be a charge point, I don't know. But it's specifically, when charge point says, it's a charge point, it says charge point. So this is by Tritum.